Every milestone is achieved through precision, dedication, and a shared vision for perfection. Here's presenting construction update of Kabra Tiara for the month of November 2024, where every moment is a jewel in the crown. The foundation is solidified. Our plinth and first slab completed stand as a testament to our commitment to excellence. Rising above the skyline, Kabra Tiara is taking shape as a new creation with the concept of time. With the second slab nearing completion, every step brings us closer to delivering your crown of modern living. A realm of refined living and elevated lifestyle, embracing the luxury of time. Your crown of luxury is on its way. Stay tuned as we build your dreams into reality at Kabra Tiara.